Hello students, good morning. Today we will start the exercise, and in exercise we will discuss the multiple choice question. Okay, so let us start. First is silk is a four option is given: man-made fiber, natural protein fiber, natural carbohydrate fiber, both B and C. Okay, so answer is the B. It is the natural protein fiber. Okay, silk is a natural fiber. This is the clear, and silk fiber is made up of protein, so that's why it is the natural protein fiber. Okay, next one is the silk fiber is produced as a cocoon covering the silkworm larva. First option is. Second option, a cocoon covering the butterfly larva. C is both A and B, and D none of these. So silk is obtained from the silkworm larva. Okay, and a cocoon covering the silkworm larva. So this is the option correct, because butterfly larva does not have any role in this, in the production of silk fiber. Third question is, silk was first discovered and then developed in. So silk was first developed in the China. Okay, and what was the name of person who discovered it? Si Lung Chi. So Si Lung Chi discovered the silk in China. Okay. Fourth is the science of raising silkworm so as to obtain silk cocoon is called sericulture. Four option is given: apiculture, sericulture, aquaculture, both B and C. Apiculture is the raising and management of honeybees. So this is not about the silk. Sericulture is about the silk. So sericulture is the correct option. Silkworm take 8 days to spin a cocoon, 15 days to spin a cocoon, 3 days to spin a cocoon, 1 day to spin a cocoon. So answer is the 8 day to spin a cocoon. Okay, first option is correct. Sixth, raw silk consists of 35 individual silk fiber, 45 silk individual fiber, 48 individual silk fiber, and none of above. So option is 48 individual silk fiber. Okay. Seventh, when raw silk thread is given a twist in one direction and then two or more of these threads are twisted in opposite direction at the rate of 4 turn per centimeter, it is known as the organize. Okay, four options given: organize, throwing, creep, tram. So this is the organize. Okay, let us move on the next. Wool bearing animals are, so it is given: camel, llama, alpaca, okay, angora, Kashmir goat. So wool bearing animals are, these all are the wool bearing animal. So option will be the all of these. So here the B option is ticked, but it is the wrong ticked. You have to choose the D option, all of these. Ninth, the hair part of the flesh of sheep is called, hair part of fleece of sheep is called as the camp. Okay, the hard hair part is known as the camp. Tenth one, the silk produced in Brahmaputra Valley is called Muga silk. Okay, and wild silk. C, sheer silk. D, both A and B. So option will be the both A and B. Okay, four option is given: Muga silk, wild silk, sheer silk, and D is both A and B. So both A and B is the correct option. Second question is the fill in the blanks. So first is the scientific name of silk moth is, it is the Bombyx mori. Scientific name of silk moth is Bombyx mori. Second question, the low grade silk is obtained from the filament of damaged cocoon. So here we have to fill the damaged cocoon. Wool is obtained from the fleece of domesticated sheep. The dried precipitation of silk is called as the shunt. Okay. Third question is statement given below are incorrect. Write the correct statement. Silk is natural carbohydrate fiber is given. So on the place of carbohydrate we have to write protein fiber. Silk is natural protein fiber. Silkworm feed on the oak leaves. No, silkworms feed on the mulberry leaves. So on the place of oak we have to fill the mulberry. Third, wool of karakul may have 40 crimps per centimeter. No, so on the place of karakul we have to do the merino. Wool of merino may have 40 crimps per centimeter. Fourth thing is the suint is an oily substance found in the raw wool. So on the place of suint we have to fill the yolk is an oily substance. Okay. Fifth, muga is the strongest variety of wool. No, muga is the strongest variety of silk. Okay. Next is the true and false. More the crimps per centimeter in wool, the better is its quality. Okay. So it is true. If the number of crimps will be more, then the quality of the wool will be good. So it is true. Second is muga is a domesticated variety of silk. Muga is a domesticated variety of silk. It is the false. Muga is the wild silk. Okay. Third, yolk is the precipitation of sheep in the raw wool. It is also false. Web is a thin film of wool emerging out of the rollers of a carding machine. Okay, so it is true. Sodi fibers are made from the best variety of wool. No, it is the false. Sericulture is the science of raising the silkworm so as to obtain silk. It is true. Next question is match the statement in column A with those in column B. So column A and B are given. First is a variety of wild silk having golden yellow color. A variety of wild silk having golden yellow color. It is the muga. Okay. Wild silk is the muga silk. Second, science of rearing silkworm so as to obtain silk. It is the sericulture. Third, the name of sheep which produce the finest variety of wool. It is the merino. Merino produce the finest variety of wool. Fourth one is the dried precipitation of sheep found in raw wool is it is the sunt. Fifth, a woolen fabric having a smooth surface is the roasted. Okay, so here we discussed about the all about the multiple choice question. Fill in the blanks, true and false. Match the following. Okay. And yesterday we discussed about the question answers. So this chapter is completed, and from the next class we will start the next chapter, weather, climate and adaptation. And you have to complete your notes and you have to revise the this chapter, because this is the we have completed the two biology chapter. Okay, first and second chapter was the biology chapter. This is the chemistry chapter, and from the next class we will start a physics chapter. Okay, till you have to revise your notes, you have to complete your notes, you have to give much time on your study. Till stay home, stay safe. Thank you.